name's Sean Dotson. I'm the president of R&D Automation. We build custom automation machinery, robotic work cells, and horizontal form, fill, and seal packaging machines. R&D solves problems for manufacturers who need to automate their processes. We build machines that make things for other manufacturers. We'll build machines for industries as diverse as contact lenses, medical device, consumer products, pharmaceutical. So we really do a wide range of products and industries. A good number of our employees are associated with the corridor universities. We've got several of the UCF, USF, and UF graduates. So we work closely with the University of Florida as well as University of South Florida, both on internships and helping them develop the skill sets that these young engineers and young tradespeople are going to need to come into our line of work and be effective from day one. I definitely recommend the corridor area. There's a plentiful amount of students and tradesmen in this area coming out of really good programs. My first job out of college was working for a machinery manufacturer and fell in love with it, and I've been working in custom machinery ever since. Every machine is unique, every machine is custom. There's always some new problem to be solved, some new mechanism to design, some new way to deploy a robot. It's never the same thing over and over. It's always something fresh. This is just an industry that I love and I'll probably be in for the rest of my life.